Welcome, family. It's that time of year again. Zucchini, zucchini, zucchini. We're gonna make zucchini bread. So come join me. I want to make 2 loaves, so I kind of messed with the recipe. And I'm adding 1 1/2 of the ingredients. So I got the oven on 350. Okay, I hope you can hear me. First, I got 3 cups of shredded zucchini. I did that last night. Yeah, I'm gonna put gloves on here. I apologize if I'm like not really in a exuberant mood. I haven't been feeling real well lately, so I have a doctor's appointment on Thursday. In July, some kind of virus went through our house, and my husband and I were both sick for about a week or more. And for me, it didn't with him, but me, it went into my lungs, and like bronchitis, and it's just been hanging on, and it's been a month. So I thought, okay, I'm really bad about making doctor's appointments, but I don't get much sleep at night because I'm coughing. So I'm gonna see the doctor on Thursday. All right, so the recipe calls for 3 cups of shredded zucchini, and of course I went a half, so I went with 4 1/2 cups. But I will link it in the description at the normal ingredients amount. Okay, now I'm gonna add sugar. The recipe calls for 1 2/3 cup. So I'm gonna do that first. This is where math skills always come in handy. You're gonna have to have math skills in your life. Okay, that's 2/3. Now half of that would be another 1/3 and a half. So now oil. I need 2/3 cup of oil, plus I'm adding another 1/3. So okay. Okay, and vanilla, 2 teaspoons it calls for. So I'm adding 3. It gets tricky, and doubling a recipe is easy, but it gets tricky when you do it a different way. I don't know where oh, there it is. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of mix this up. I hope you can hear me okay. I don't want to wear the microphone today. I haven't had zucchini bread in years. I used to have a garden, of course I had zucchini, so I made lots of things zucchini. But somebody gave me a big fat one, so Okay, now I'm going to add, recipe calls for 4 eggs. I'm adding 6 because that's times and a half. Okay, now I'm going to mix this up good here. It's still cool here. We're supposed to get into the heat tomorrow, so the whole week is supposed to be hot. All right. Now I'm going to add flour, the recipe calls for 3 cups, so I'm adding 4.5 because half of 3 is 1.5, so. Three, 4.5. I gotta count because I'll lose track really easily. Okay, there we go. I gotta stay on the track. You gotta stay on the track. I go off all the time. I'm always off on paths. Okay, now I'm adding, recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So I'm adding 3. There we go. And I know you might be a little confused, but I'm going to put it in the description. Okay, recipe calls for 1 teaspoon salt. I'm adding another half. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. No, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, so I'm adding 1.5. There we go. My dog is nowhere around. I guess this is not important to her today. Okay, so cloves, I'm adding it says 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. Oh, I haven't used this one yet. New one. All right. So, one half and 1/4, but I don't like a lot of cloves, so I'm not adding that much. Okay, now 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm having half of that, so it's 1/4. Remember in school how, I don't know, I hated fractions, but cooking actually helped me learn fractions. Okay, so It says you can add nuts, but I don't think I have. I can check. I'm gonna mix it up first, and then I'll check my special box with all the goodies, and we'll see if I have any nuts in it. Or you can add raisins too, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna mix this up really good here. Good at arm exercise. Let's see. Gotta exercise both arms, you know. Yeah, it looks good and mixed now. Okay, I'm gonna look and see if I have any kind of nuts. Okay, I did have chopped pecans, so I'm gonna add that. All right, let's give this a mix. There we go. That looks good. All right, now I greased my pans, my favorite bread pans. Don't judge me. They're really old, but they make the best stuff. There's lots of love in old pans, see? All right, now I'm just gonna start pouring in here. Try to get it as even as possible. There we go. This is gonna be good. I haven't had this in a long time either. I've also got bananas in the freezer, so I'm gonna be doing that someday soon here too. And one of these I'm gonna freeze and then give to my friend that comes and plays Yahtzee with me. Okay, they look pretty even. Now I'll put these in the oven for recipe says about 50 to 60 minutes, but I'm gonna have to, my oven's slow, so when the cake tester or when a knife comes out clean, it's done. All right, we will see you then. So this took quite a while, about an hour and 15 minutes, but when I put a knife in there, it comes out clean. It's done. So now I'm just gonna loosen the edges here. smells delicious. I can smell the cinnamon and the cloves. Now I'm going to try to flip it. Get it out of there so I can... Okay, and then we want to turn it that way. There we go. Make sure you grease them well so that you can do this. It'll come out easier. Okay, now we just let it cool down before we cut it. We'll be back shortly. So thanks for joining me today for zucchini bread. And it's very good. I've been nibbling on it. The pecans really made it. And cinnamon. I like cinnamon in anything. So I'm glad you got to come along with me today. I'm glad you stuck it out to the end. I so appreciate all of you. I thank you for my new family members. Welcome to the family. And I pray for all of you every morning in my prayer porch with my coffee, me and Jesus and coffee. And so if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and like and share my videos. It helps YouTube know that I'm out there, and so that we can get this channel growing a little more. So I'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.